Is this the best value hotel in the whole of Nha Trang? It's cost me just over $15 a night. That includes breakfast. It's got a rooftop pool and a gym. So I'm super excited to get inside and check it out. So yeah, let's give you a quick tour. Here we go. I mean, look at this bedroom. This is huge. That bed is absolutely monstrous. I've no idea what size that is. Massive wardrobe, some questionable lamp shades and lamps. I think you could probably just do away with them. They're pretty ugly in my opinion. I will test the bed in a second. Nice cool chair with a side table, that's nice. So if we spin the camera quickly just this way, we can check out that TV. That is absolutely huge. There's a lot to take in here. So we have some tea, coffee, sugar. First time I've had sugar in the room. Kettle, 2 cups, 2 waters, another ugly lamp. There's a book there full of probably boring things like rules. Yeah, I am not reading that. So I presume that's the Wi-Fi. We also have some, oh, okay, so they do laundry. So that's pretty handy if you need your laundry doing. The air conditioning manual on the wall, let's be honest, it's pretty straightforward. You turn it on and off and up and down. So, tissues, little fridge. I presume it's a mini bar because there is Coke and Fanta in there, but it's an added bonus. This room doesn't actually have a window looking outside, so I've no idea where this window goes. Wow, I can literally see all the way to the bottom. Okay, so yeah, that's a big drop. But there's absolutely no reason to be doing what I just did then. Not bad artwork. Oh, actually, the one above the bed's a bit unusual, but again, each to their own. So yeah, little bin. We've got some flip-flops for the bathroom. So yeah, let's do the bed test. Right, quickly, just before the bed test, what is this all about? Why do you need a window from the bedroom into the bathroom, especially facing the toilet? It makes absolutely no sense. If anyone can explain that one to me, I'd be very interested to know. Okay. Feels good. Not too hard, not too soft. Okay, the reason it's so big is because it is split in the middle, but doesn't bother. Oh, that's a nice pillow. Again, not too hard, not too soft. That'd be lovely to sleep on. Let's get myself tucked up. Oh, that is absolutely perfect. Oh my God. Love it. Right, so the rating on this bed's firmness, again, 0 being a cloud, 10 being concrete. I'm gonna go a 7.8 or 9. 7.8 or 9, one of them two. It just feels perfect. It doesn't feel too hard, doesn't feel too soft. But again, it's up to each person's preference at the end of the day, but that's where we're at with the rating of the bed. Right, so well impressed. It looks really tidy, really modern. We've got all the usual bits and bobs. We've got the bath mat, we've got some hand soap, we've got some toothbrushes with toothpaste, some cotton buds, shower cap, couple of cups, hair dryer. So let's test out the strength of the bum squirter. Oh, seat's a little bit wobbly, so I'll be careful there. Oh, that's probably the weakest one we've had so far, but there we go. Toilet paper, little bin, a couple of towels, massive shower. Look at the size of this. Right, it's a little bit of a difficult angle to film this clip in, but shampoo, body wash, again, all big bonuses. Okay, so we've got one of these thin sort of showers. I'm never a massive fan of these. I don't know if anyone else likes these, but again, I never know what head it's going to come out of, so I'm going to stand back a bit. All right, perfect. So it's coming out of this one. Yeah, again, I'm not a massive fan of the thin ones. I find it doesn't sort of get you wet as well. So, but again, pressure seems all right. Hot water, which is obviously ideal. So does it work? Okay, so it is working. And that is pretty strong, so I'm going to turn it off. So that's perfect. Right, I thought I'd put that funny window to some use. So couple of things I forgot to mention. We've got some light switches by the bed. We've got some plugs by the bed, which again, it's always super handy. We've got the 1950s phone to call reception. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll enjoy the facilities here. I'll go out and get some food and try and explore a little bit of the area. And then I'll give you an update on how I slept tomorrow morning. So we'll check in then. Right, so almost forgot. This is the walkthrough. So just going up the stairs into reception. So it just gives you an idea of how big the space is. Really helpful receptionists as well, so they're super friendly. There's places to sit on the right hand side here, so you can just chill out and wait to check in, or if you're checking out, somewhere to relax. There's a little balcony just out front as well, which is a nice little people watching spot. But yeah, loads of seating, so you're never waiting for a spot to sit down. And the same on the other side, some relaxing seats just to chill out and wait to check in or check out. So just walking towards the lifts now. So we have 2 lifts, so again, you're not really waiting too long for a lift. So what I'll do now is I'll give you a little tour of where the gym and the pool is. So many floors, as you can see. I think there's 21 in total. So the gym is pretty small, but again, it's better having it than not. And here's the pool area. They were just relaying some AstroTurf there, so that's why the sunbeds aren't out. But I managed to relax in an hour's time from this clip, so it wasn't too bad, and in the morning. So this is the roof terrace. This is what I was most impressed with. Just the view from the top of here is absolutely insane. So check this out. And what a spot just to relax with a drink as well when the sun goes down. It was a bit cloudy the day I arrived, so not the most amazing sky, but still made it look absolutely incredible from just being up here. So there we go. There's a nice 180 of the view. So back to it. Good morning from Nha Trang in Vietnam. I slept incredible. Honestly, this is the best bed I've slept on since I've left for traveling. I literally didn't wake up once. The firmness is perfect for me. The aircon is literally perfect as well. You can set it to whatever temperature you feel fit, and it wasn't too noisy either, so that was ideal. So yeah, it was just a perfect sleep, so I cannot complain about anything whatsoever. So this morning I got up, and then obviously I got the free breakfast that was included. So I wasn't expecting much really. I thought maybe just a bit of toast with some fruit. Wow, there was so much choice. Honestly, when I walked down, I was absolutely gobsmacked. So it's a buffet style setup. So obviously you just help yourself, and there's so much choice, and the food is brilliant. Honestly, I ate so much. I must have had about, honestly, 6 plates of food. But I'll get some clips so you can see what it looks like down there. But again, just for over $15, this is all included. So after breakfast, I went up to the gym and the pool area. So it was super quiet because I was up quite early. So maybe it gets a little bit busier later on. So I had a swim and took in the views from the terrace and did my little workout in the morning. Again, having a gym is a massive bonus because when you're budget traveling, it's not always easy to get use of a gym. So that was perfect. So yeah, let's talk about the price. Just over $15 a night. I mean, this is one of the best value places I think I've ever stayed. I think I'm really going to struggle to beat this on this trip in Vietnam. It's just, I cannot find fault with anything, to be honest. And the area you're in, it's just such a central location. The beach is, I'm not exaggerating, the beach is like 5 to 10 minutes walk away. I didn't time myself last night because I walked around the area and I did go to the beach. But the location is, again, the only way you can improve on it is maybe move it to the beachfront, in which case you'll obviously be paying a lot more to do so, I would imagine. So with everything included and the stay I've had, this is going to be a high rating. So the rating I am giving this hotel, I'll even put the brand in here, the name of the hotel, so I can do it justice. This is so this is the #1 rated hotel I have stayed in Vietnam so far, in my opinion. So I am going to go a 9.5. I just think, yeah, it's incredible. It just absolutely blew me away. I wasn't expecting much. When I booked it, I just thought, okay, it'll be a nice stay. It looks cool, but I just think you've got to weigh in the price of it and what you get. I mean, the breakfast alone, I would happily pay $15 for a buffet breakfast setup anyway. I mean, that's just incredible value. Never mind the pool, the gym. This room is lovely. It's everything I need. I can't find fault with anything in it. So just a couple of little bonus tips. So I went for a walk around the area last night, and again, it's super safe in Vietnam, so it's nice to go for a stroll in the evening. And I walked through the town, and there's so much going on, so many restaurants, so many bars, so many shops still open. So it's really, really cool to walk around. And then down on the beach, it's still really lively. I must have been down there about 8 p.m. and there were still people swimming in the sea, just having a good time. So I'll put the clips of last night over this, and I always try and find myself a nice little spot for a snack and a drink. So I found this perfect little spot looking over this night market, which I'll link in this video, and it was just incredible. So yeah, super happy, and I cannot wait to explore more of Nha Trang. So we'll wrap the video up there. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop me a like, and if you want to, then obviously subscribe, but if not, thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in another video.